Welcome back to my channel O2 Marchini viewers once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So this video is going to be very important, very important, and it might going to get a little long, but please stay tuned till last to watch this video. You will learn lot of things. Okay, so first thing you have to understood, you are on that level, okay, for a certain period of time, but it is not static. One day you will definitely fall down to that level. That is the truth of life. Okay, that is the truth of life basically. So that is the universal truth. So I assume that you are in a good college, you are studying a hard lot, and everything you are doing for your career, in specifically in the machinery career. But if you are pursuing your course, especially the BSc Nautical Science and the Marine Engineering, then I can assume that you will get chance for the campusing at least 3 or 4 times. That is for sure. Obviously there will be 3 or 4 times you will get the chance, but one thing you have to keep it in your mind, hopefully you will crack by those 4 attempts, but you have to think about the worst case scenario. That is for sure. See, as a human being you need to have 2 plans in your life. First, if you become successful in your life, what will you do after becoming successful? Another thing, if you failed, then how to overcome from it and how to become successful again. That is the plan you need to have for sure, because after become successful plans are coming, but when you become unsuccessful or unable to become successful, then your real test is begins. Okay, because I already told you the graph is not permanent, not static. Even a topper can be the last boy of the batch. It can happen, I have seen. So whatever, so main part, suppose you have failed 4 or 5 attempts and you are unable to crack any of the interview by the shipping companies. Now there are options. What are the options available? That the first thing you have to think in your mind, that what all options are available. There are 3 options for me at least. First option, you go to Mumbai, just go to the office, drop your CV. That is the first option. Second option, that I have shown you lot of form fill-ups regarding Valen, Scorpio and Marks also, so you can do from your home via online, but okay, I'll come to later. And the third part is the agent, which I don't recommend at all. Now first point I'll come to later. Let's talk about the second point. Second point is that the CV sent via online. Yeah, now you can tell me that, sir, everything now become online, I can send. What is the problem in it? See, like you, 500, 600, 700 candidates used to send those CV regularly on those companies. Okay, that is not so easy. Even they don't have, if they have vacancy, they might check 2, 3, 4, 10 CVs per day, not more than that. Okay, and if there is no vacancy, there is no question, they will not open your email. Forget about reading your CV and watching your CV, forget about it. They will not open your email ID, that is for sure. Okay, so the chance you can eliminate, that is a no chance, rare case. One candidate in 5,000, 10,000 candidates might get selected. Okay, now agent, the third point. First point I'll come little bit later, just tell me this thing, agent. Okay, if you are going through a genuine agent, that is fine, but how can you determine that is genuine or not? That is very much difficult, that to means determine or detect the agent is genuine or not. I have told you regarding the agent that I will make a video how to check or how to determine, identify the fraudulent shipping agents, but due to some external factors I haven't made that video. I will make definitely within 3 or 4 days. I will make that video. I have promised I will make it, so don't worry about that. But agent also I don't recommend until unless you know him personally and you are satisfied with him, then only you can go. Now we'll talk about the first point. Okay, so what is the first point? First point is that go to the Mumbai and drop the CV. is it worth? That is the main question and the main topic of this video. I know this video is getting long, already 5-6 minutes past, still I am talking regarding the other factors. Now we'll talk about the main factors. Okay, the main factor is Mumbai. So now main thing is the financial thing. Suppose you are staying, you are having food, traveling cost is there, so very cheaply you cannot have kebabs and that chicken tandoori and beer per day, right? You will have some dal chawal roti, that's it. Still you will find yourself that you have spent 200 to 250 rupees per day for your meal. Okay, excluding breakfast, I'm talking only lunch and dinner. Now the staying, at least you have to spend 300 rupees per day, 250 to 300 rupees for the staying. That is minimum I'm talking. As per Mumbai is concerned, it is one of the most expensive cities in the India. Now traveling cost, you don't know anything. Your first time in Mumbai, metro, train, you don't know routes. Okay, you find out from the internet and all. Okay, you find out. Okay, still it will cost around 150 rupees per day. So now sum up, 300 for your staying, 250 for your fooding and lodging, and 150 for your traveling. 700 rupees per day means per month 21,000 rupees. Can you afford it? Just ask yourself, can you afford it? If yes, go. No, don't worry, just go and find your job. And first thing and the most important thing, you don't know how many months it will take to get a job. How many months? Can you tolerate that struggle? If yes, then that is okay. Can you afford that expenses? Then that is okay. So that is the thing. It is not so easy to go to Mumbai and find a job, because so many candidates used to go every day Mumbai for finding the job. So that is the thing, that is the bitter truth of this maritime industry. I am making this video, that is fine, but that is ashamed, that is a shameful thing in this maritime industry, that people are not getting job and they are going to Mumbai, spend those heavy amounts of money and they're not getting job and come back. That is the bitter truth. What can I say? So is it worth? Now decision is up to you. If you want to go, you can go because you want job, I know that. So that is the thing. If you can afford that struggle, then you can go. Otherwise, I don't know, really I don't know, I don't have answer otherwise what to do. I really don't have that answer. So whatever it is, if you have liked this video, I don't wanted to make this video because this kind of video, what is to do, it demotivate you. It is not motivational. This kind of video is demotivational video. So I don't wanted to make, but I wanted to say some truth, bitter truth. Every month I used to make this kind of video where I used to talk a lot and the video is getting lengthier, but I wanted to talk to you guys. Okay, that is why the main motive is to make this video. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.